Many months ago, a young man lived in a kingdom. He had no money. His life was full of difficulties. He would go out every day to look for work and earn some money. After that, he used to come home to cook, eat, and sleep. One day, after searching for work without any success, he was walking towards his home, feeling disappointed. Suddenly, he heard a voice from behind asking him. He turned around and saw an old man standing there with three full bags. The old man said, I need to go to the next village, which is little far from here. I can carry one bag myself. Can you carry two bags for me? I will give you 3 gold coins and 3 silver coins for this work. The young man agreed and picked up the bags and started walking with the old man. While they walked, the old man said, These bags contain bronze and silver coins. The young man noticed that the old man was keeping an eye on him. He said, I am not going to betray your trust over some coins. I am only interested in earning my wage fairly. After walking for a while, they reached a hill. The young man began to slowly climb it, but the old man stopped at the foot of the hill. Seeing this, the young man called out, Come, why did you stop? The old man replied, I am too old, I can't walk properly. It is difficult to climb this hill with this bag. The young man said, Okay, then give me that bag. The old man said, This bag is full with gold coins. If you run away with them, I can't even chase after you. The young man raised his voice slightly and said, I have already told you I am not that kind of person. I work as a laborer because I value honesty. The old man was still doubtful. The old man said, I don't know whether you are telling the truth or not. The old man had no choice, so he said to the young man, If you want to pick up this bag of gold coins, it's okay for me. I will follow you at my own pace. You can go ahead and then wait for me on the other side. The young man picked up the bag and continued on his way, leaving the old man behind. As he walked, he thought, if I run away with these 3 bags, the old man won't be able to catch me, and I will become rich forever. I am young. If I have this money, then I will be wealthy. Then I could marry a beautiful woman, and my life would be easier with money. I will have respect, luxury, and comfort. He decided to run away with the 3 bags. He started running with those bags. After running for some time, finally he reached his home and opened the bags. But he was shocked to see that there were no gold or silver coins in the bag, but it contained small stones. He wondered why old man lied to him, why he needed to do such drama. He noticed a piece of paper inside the bag. He picked it up and began to read. The message on the paper was, I am the king of this kingdom. I have no heir and I am growing old. So I have been searching for an honest person to adopt as my child and successor. If you had not run away, you could have been that person. Reading this, the young man was crushed by regret and remorse. All his life, he had been honest. He had no intent to betray the old man. If he had ignored his thoughts, he could have been the successor of the king today. But his thought made a decision that betrayed his values and cost. He lost an opportunity which he will never have again. This story highlights the power of thoughts and the profound impact of our thoughts on our life. It clearly shows us how our thoughts can shape our destiny. In this story, the young man, who was an honest person, let harmful thoughts take over his mind and did something that was against his principles. This story mentions how quickly a negative thought can change our life. It is a reminder for all of us that how important it is to always be aware of what we are thinking. Buddha always used to say that our biggest enemy cannot harm us as much as our unguarded thoughts. Our negative thoughts can create pain for us. According to Buddha, every action starts with a thought. Our thoughts turn into words. Our words turn into actions. Our actions becomes habits. And our habits decides our destiny. Therefore, to avoid falling into negative thinking, it is important to keep check on our thoughts and think positively by keeping an eye on our thoughts. When we monitor our thoughts, we can control our minds. Our thoughts are like seeds that can grow into our destiny. By nurturing them wisely, we can ensure a bright future filled with peace and happiness.